Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Exam Study Zone. In today's video, I am going to explain what is STP model in detail with examples. So watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So what is STP model? The STP model means S means segmentation, T means targeting and P means positioning. Means the STP model means segmentation, targeting and positioning is a strategic marketing approach that helps businesses identify, understand and reach their ideal customers effectively. So here's a detailed explanation of each step with a practical example. So the first one is segmentation. This is the process of dividing a broad market into smaller, more manageable segments based on shared characteristics. Types of market segmentation. First one is demographic. Under this age, gender, income, education, occupation, all of these are included in and we can say comes under demographic. Second one is geographic. In this country, region, city, urban versus rural. Third one is psychographic. Example, lifestyle, values, personality, interest. So all of this comes under psychographic. Fourth one is behavioral. Purchase behavior, brand loyalty and benefits sought comes under behavioral. So let's take an example. A company selling athletic shoes divides the market into segments. First one is demographic, teenagers, young adults and middle-aged individuals. Geographic, urban versus suburban. Third one is psychographic, athletes, casual fitness enthusiasts, eco-conscious consumers. Fourth one is behavioral. People who buy premium brands versus budget-conscious shoppers. Second one is targeting. After identifying the segments, businesses evaluate each one to determine which is the most attractive and viable. Criteria for targeting. Market size. Is the segment large enough to be profitable? Growth potential. Is the segment growing? Accessibility. Can the business effectively reach this segment? Competition. How strong are competitors in this segment? Fit. Does the segment align with the company's goals and strengths? For example, the athletic shoe company evaluates these segments and decides to target young adults who are urban dwellers and fitness enthusiasts. This segment is large, growing, and aligns with the company's innovative and performance focused product line. Third one is positioning. Positioning is about creating a unique and favorable image of the product in the minds of the target audience. It involves identifying the key benefits of the product and differentiating it from competitors. Steps in positioning. Define the unique value proposition, means what makes the product better or different. Second point is identify the customer needs or problems the product solves. Third one is communicate the value effectively through marketing and branding. Positioning strategies. Buy price or quality, premium product or value for money. Second point is buy use case, specific situations or needs the product meets. Third one is by benefit. Focus on a key benefit such as comfort or eco-friendliness. Example, the athletic shoe company positions its product as high performance running shoes for urban fitness enthusiasts by highlighting superior cushioning for running on hard surfaces, stylish designs suitable for both workouts and casual wear, sustainability through eco-friendly materials. So let's take end-to-end example. Brand, stride fit running shoes. First one is segmentation. First point, demographic, young adults. Second, psychographic, active lifestyle fitness oriented. Third, behavioral, regular gym goers and runners who value premium features. Second, targeting. Here, urban, fitness conscious young adults who prefer eco friendly products. Third one is positioning, stride fit, the ultimate blend of comfort, style, and sustainability for your urban running experience. Marketing campaigns showcase the shoes' innovative design performance and eco friendly materials, distinguishing them from competitors. So friends, let's talk about the benefits of STP model. The STP model offers several benefits for businesses aiming to optimize their marketing strategies and better serve their customers. Below are the key benefits. First one is improved customer understanding. The STP model helps businesses analyze and categorize customers based on their unique characteristics, preferences, and behaviors. This deeper understanding ensures that marketing efforts are tailored to meet specific customer needs. Second one is enhanced marketing efficiency. By focusing only on relevant segments, companies can avoid wasting resources on board ineffective campaigns. Marketing budgets are better utilized, leading to higher returns on investment. Third one is clear focus on target audience. Identifying and targeting specific segments ensures that businesses reach the right audience with the right message. This increases the likelihood of customer engagement and conversions. Fourth one is better product development. The STP model highlights customer needs and preferences, enabling businesses to design products or services that fulfill specific market demands. It reduces the risk of launching products that fail to resonate with customers. Fifth one is competitive advantage. A well defined positioning strategy helps businesses stand out in a crowded marketplace. By emphasizing unique selling points, companies can differentiate their products from competitors. Sixth one is improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. Tailored marketing and product offerings meet customer expectations, enhancing their overall experience. Satisfied customers are more likely to remain loyal and recommend the brand to others. Seventh one is effective communication. The model ensures that marketing messages are relevant and resonate with the target audience. Clear, focused communication strengthens brand perception and recall. Eighth one is facilitates strategic decision making. Segmentation, targeting, and positioning provide a structured framework for making informed marketing decisions. It helps businesses prioritize segments, allocate resources, and choose the best positioning strategies. Ninth one is supports market expansion. By identifying untapped or underserved segments, businesses can explore new opportunities and expand their market presence. Tenth one is increases profitability. Focusing on the most lucrative segments reduces cost inefficiencies. Satisfying customer needs effectively leads to higher sales and better profit margins. The STP model is widely used in industries like consumers goods, technology, and services to ensure targeted and impactful marketing. That's for all today. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Exam Studies Zone. Thanks for watching and have a good day.